Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a task manager desktop shortcut for your Windows. So please watch this video and let's go quick into the process. The task manager is a very important tool on your Windows. If there are any issues or problems that you are facing with your Windows, you can easily access the task manager and with the help of the task manager, you can fix that issue. So if you don't have the task manager shortcut, then you have to rely on the Windows search bar and search for it like task manager, or you can rely on the start button, right click on it and then select task manager. Now we can create a task manager shortcut wherein if you want to open our task manager, then you can just simply double click on that shortcut. Now how can we do that? I will show you two ways on how you can create a shortcut or a task manager shortcut for your Windows. First method, right click at the desktop, select new, then here select shortcut. Now type the location of the item, so just follow me. Type here C colon Windows backslash system 32 backslash task mgr.exe. It's C colon Windows forward backslash again. It's C colon Windows backslash system 32 backslash task mgr.exe and click on next. Then I'm going to name it as task manager and click on finish. And here we have just created a task manager shortcut. So whenever we are going to access into our task manager, simply double click on this and you will open the task manager. So this is the first way and the easiest way too. Second way is open your file explorer. Best match, go ahead and click on that. Then click on this PC on the left pane and click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down and look for the Windows folder, this one, double click. Scroll down and look for System 32 folder. This one, double click. Then here under the contents or in the contents of the System 32 folder, search for task mgr.exe. Okay. So you will find this task mgr. Now simply make a right click on it and then select show more options and click on create shortcut and click on yes. And let's see. Now we have two shortcuts for our task manager. So that is how you can, or that is the process on how you can create a task manager shortcut on your Windows in just two simple ways. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.